Welcome back students, good morning all of you. So in last lesson number 2nd, the phrase in standard 7th. So in last video I taught you two exercises, and today I am going to explain you the rest of the exercises. Okay, in page number 16. So let's see exercise number 3. Replace adverbs in italics by adverb phrases of the same meaning in the following sentence. So we have to replace adverbs. So what is adverbs? We have to find out first of all adverbs, and we have to replace, and instead of it or in a place of it we will put adverb phrase. But you have to remember, meaning cannot be changed. Okay, we don't want to change the meaning, but we will put or make it adverb phrase type of sentence. Okay, so now see first number, slowly and sadly we bade him goodbye. Okay, so find out the adverbs slowly and sadly. These two are adverbs, so we have to replace this, and instead of it or in a place of it we will put adverb phrase. So I have written in my notebook, you can see here the exercises, so the answers of this exercise. Okay, so you see, at a slow speed and in a sad manner. Okay, so slowly and sadly, these two are adverbs, so we have to replace this, and in a place of adverbs we will put at a slow speed and in a sad manner. Means this is the adverb phrase. Okay, so but I haven't changed any meaning in this sentence, because according to the heading we do not change the meaning of the sentence, but we have to replace the adverbs, and in a place of adverbs we have to put the adverb phrase. So I hope you understood. Okay, so कुछ इस तरह से बनेगा, slowly and sadly we bade him goodbye. Now see second number, he spoke politely to his seniors. Okay, so he spoke politely. So politely is an adverb. We have to replace this, and in a place of this adverb we will put adverb phrase, but meaning cannot be changed. Okay, so you can see here, he spoke to his seniors in a polite manner or in a polite way. Okay, so polite way is a adverb phrase. Okay, so you can see here I haven't changed any meaning in this sentence, but what I did is just I find out the adverbs and replace it. I have replaced it, and in a place of this I have put adverb phrase in a polite way. Okay, you can do this exercise if you have learned these columns. Okay, that I told you in last video, you have to remember this table, you have to remember this column. After you learning this, or after you learn this, only and only you can understand this exercise, otherwise not. So if you haven't remembered or learned yet, please learn this carefully, and after see this video. Okay, so see the third number, my mother scolded me angrily. So scolded me angrily, so you can see here, my mother scolded me in a anger way. Okay, you can include it way also. So angrily is an adverb, and I have replaced it, and in a place of this adverb I have put adverb phrase, but I haven't changed any meaning. Now see the fourth number, no rules were followed then. Okay, So then you can see here in the table, then just a minute. Okay, yeah, in these columns then now also are included verbs, okay, words. So you have to remember, you have to mug up these tables. Then after you can gain or you can teach this exercise. Okay, now see, no rules were followed at that time. So then what is the adverb phrase of then? So then is adverb. So what is the adverb phrase of then? At that time. Okay, this type of adverb and adverb phrases are given in these columns. So I frequently tell you, please remember or learn or mug up these tables. Then after you can understand the exercise well. Now see the fifth number. He did not do well, for he did his work carelessly. Okay, so find out the adverb. Carelessly is the adverb. Okay, and we will replace it, and we will place it in a instead of it we will put adverb phrase. So you can see here, he did not do well, for he did his work without care. So what is the carelessly transform into without care. Okay, so careless means जिसको फिक्र ना हो, and without care is also जिसको फिक्र ना हो. So we haven't changed any meaning, but we have replaced adverb, and instead of it we have put adverb phrase. Now see the sixth number. Rima delivered the speech eloquently. Okay, so eloquently is an adverb. We will replace it, and in a place of it we will put adverb phrase. So you can see here, Rima delivered the speech with eloquence. Okay, now see seventh number. The doctor treated the patient kindly. Okay, so kindly is an adverb, we have to replace it. The doctor treated the patient with kindness. Okay, with kindness is an adjective phrase. Now see, just a minute. Now see 8 number. He ate the ice cream greedily. Okay, so you can see here, he ate the ice cream in a greedy way. Okay, so greedily is an adverb, we have replaced it, and in a place of it we have put adverb phrase. Now see 9 number. I must finish the work in a short time. Okay, so you can see here, I finish the work shortly. Okay, so here you can see some changes. So you can see in a question there is an adverb phrase, not adverb. So we have to put adverb. Okay, in a place of adverb phrase. So shortly is an adverb, and in a short time is an adverb phrase. Now see 10 number. I went to meet my cousins with great eagerness. So you can see here, I went to meet my cousins eagerly. Okay, great eagerness is an adverb phrase, and instead of it we have to put an adverb. Okay, now see 11 number. He replied to my letter with promptness. Okay, so you can see here, he replied to my letter promptly. So promptness is an adverb phrase, not adverb. Okay, so we have to replace this adverb phrase, and in a place of this we will put only an adverb. Okay, so promptly is an adverb, but meaning should not be changed. So now 12 number, the teacher spoke in a loud voice. Okay, so you can see here the teacher speak in loudly. So loudly is an adverb, and in a loud voice is a adverb phrase. Now see 13 number. In all probabilities, Geeta will remain absent today. So you can see here, most probably Geeta remain absent. Okay, now see 14 number. He misses his classes in a frequent manner. So in a frequent manner is an adjective, an adverb phrase. Okay, instead of or in a place of it we will put adverb. So frequently is an adverb. Okay, frequently he misses his classes. Now see last one. In former times, kings rode horses. Okay, so you can see here, right, rode. Okay, rode means past participle of ride, means savari karna. Okay, so you can see here, in a former times means it is given adverb phrase, and in a place of it we will put adverb. Okay, so formerly is an adverb. So formerly kings rode horses. So I hope you understood this exercise. Okay, so until I make some other videos, keep watching my revision lectures. Okay, revision videos, because I made this again for you. And keep doing your homework, keep watching video, keep gaining some knowledge, and until, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.